we are going to make a true solution and a suspension. ट्रू सॉल्यूशन और सस्पेंशन बनाएंगे और इनके लिए हमारे को जो मटेरियल रिक्वायर्ड है दैट इज फिल्टर पेपर वी नीड, ग्लास रॉड वी नीड, स्पैचुला वी नीड, soil we need, and salt we need, and we need water, test tube stand, conical flask and funnel. And what we are going to do in this one is we are going to take some water into two test tubes. I have taken this much of water into two test tubes, and then with the help of a spatula what I will do is I will add salt to one test tube. I had added salt, and to the next test tube I will add the soil. This much soil I have added. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to shake this by closing this with my thumb. I'm going to shake this one so that the salt get dissolves in this one. Similarly, I have done with this B test tube which is of soil and water. So as far as what we can predict is this is transparent, we can see through this one, and with this we cannot see because soil it has been dissolved in this one. And meanwhile I will allow to set this one. I will prepare my filter paper. This is a filter paper. How to prepare a filter paper is this is a round. First make it like this, then again fold it. Now we are getting 4 layers of this one, 3 layers on the one side and single layer on the other side. We make it like a cone, and then we get fixed it onto the funnel like this. Now as far as this test tube is concerned, we can see that some of the soil has been sedimented out there. Sediments we can see the solid material out there and water at the top. If I will allow it to stand for a more time, what we will get is we will get a quite clear water over this and a sediment at the bottom. But as far as the solution is concerned, there is no sediment, so this is a true solution and this is a suspension. We can also make similarly the colloidal solution in which we will be dissolving the starch or the egg albumin in the water. Right now I am not going through that one, I am not doing that one. And now what we will do is we will filter out these two liquids. Firstly we will filter out. During filtration you can see we have to keep a glass tube like this, and then we have to filter it slowly along the glass tube. Drop wise it will be coming down. It will take some time. Similarly, what I will do now is I will filter my soil water, B test tube, in which we have put some soil in this one. Similarly, we are going to do this one. You can see that I am not directly pouring this liquid. Why? Because filter paper can be ruptured with this. With the help of a test tube we ensure that it should not rupture. So meanwhile these two are filtering. Now what we will see that whether we get residue in which is non-residuability. It can be when we will pour this one in this solution where there is a salt, there will be no residue left on the filter paper, but where there is a soil solution there will be a residue left. So this is the filterability test for the true solution that passes as it is, and in case of this soil solution or suspension we get a residue. In case of the colloidal solution also there is no residue, and if we pass light, that I will take later on, but is the action of the light when we pass, what happens to the light. Now we can see, I will show you. This is a filter paper from which we have passed the salt solution. There is no residue in this one. All of the content has passed to the conical flask, but as far as the suspension is concerned, there is a residue. You can see this residue out there. This is a residue. So this is the filterability test for this one. I hope you understood this one. And in this picture, you can clearly see that the beam of light, when passed through the true solution of a common salt in water, it passes through and we can see it easily. But when it is passed through the suspension of chalk in water, we cannot see. It does not pass through the solution. And when it is passed through the colloidal solution of egg albumin in water, what happens is scattering of light occurs, which is due to the colloidal particles. This is the observation table, what we observe. That's all about this practical. Bye.